If you're watching this video, you may be concerned about the environment. You've likely heard messages about greenhouse gas emissions and global warming, and those are certainly issues to consider. But if you're like most Americans, improving your home's energy efficiency is a matter of dollars and cents. And there is certainly plenty of statistics out there that make the case for weatherization and adopting new habits to make a difference on your wallet and your overall comfort. According to the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, a typical household spends about $1,900 a year on energy bills and contributes twice the amount of greenhouse gases to the environment as an average car. Did you know residential buildings account for 20% of all energy used in the U.S.? Residential energy costs average $241 billion annually. Energy impacts all of us, and we're going to talk about the ways that you can reduce your energy consumption, save money, and make a difference for the environment. First thing you'll want to do is look at your utility bills for the past 12 to 24 months. This will help you see what your energy use patterns are.
45 to 50% is the heating and cooling. If you want to see how much your heating and cooling is costing you, look at your bills during the off months, and you can see what we call your baseline.
Heating and cooling your home is your biggest expense, roughly 41%, and the biggest impact on your heating and cooling is the weather. Typically between December and February, and then again in June to August, your heating and air systems have to work extra hard to keep you warm or cool depending on conditions outside. You can make a big difference by keeping your thermostat programmed for 68 degrees in the winter and no lower than 78 degrees in the summer. You can also conduct a home energy audit. Many utilities provide appliance calculators and home energy audit resources on their websites to help individuals assess their overall usage. Many of these tools are available online, or you can download a paper copy to assess your usage if you prefer. Next, you'll want to walk through your home or apartment to see where you may be wasting energy. Are your attic and crawl space properly insulated? Do you have visible cracks or openings around your windows and doors that may be letting the warm air out or the cold air in? Air leaks around pipes in the attic, chimneys, or recessed lighting can also be a concern. Caulking or sealing these areas or replacing warm weather stripping can make an immediate impact to save energy. You'll also want to take into account your appliances, HVAC system, and water heater to see how they may be draining your pocketbook with high or inefficient usage. Technology has changed a lot in recent years, and appliances are much more energy efficient today.
All the plumbing fixtures in the house, whether it be the shower, the lavatories, the kitchen sink, they're all high performance. They have the exact same amount of pressure as the older types, but they use a lot less water.
Look for ENERGY STAR appliances that can bring significant savings, and in some cases rebates may be available when you purchase ENERGY STAR products.
ENERGY STAR is rated on a scale, a baseline, which is a 100. ENERGY STAR now has to be a minimum of 85, so it's 15% more efficient than its competitor.
If you can access your crawl space or attic, you will want to inspect your system's ductwork to make sure it's properly insulated and doesn't have any leaks. Even old ductwork with tape may have leaks. If your ducts are not insulated sealed with mastic, you may want to call a professional for assistance. You can also insulate your water heater to improve performances and reduce costs. Water heater wrap kits are available at many home improvement stores. Be sure to follow the instructions carefully, especially if you have a gas water heater. If you don't feel comfortable making this assessment alone, there are trained energy experts that can help review your energy usage and develop a plan for improving your home's energy efficiency. Check your local utility provider or visit the Residential Energy Services Network, or ResNet, to find a certified HERS rater in your area. We'll talk more about those services in an upcoming segment.